now I'm going to show you guys how to make multiple paths. Real quickly, I'm going to measure one path that we'll use later, and then I'm going to go ahead and explain how to make a second path. I'm going to go ahead and start. Now that I have that first path measured, I can go ahead and create a second path. So I'm going to face the other direction, go to my tools menu, select paths. I can then select new path. I can go ahead and change the color if I want. In this instance, I'm going to make it green, and then I'm good to start my project. So for now, because I'm facing the other direction, I'm going to select my line. I'm going to rotate the angle, and then bring it back to my starting point. And then I can go ahead and hit start and begin walking. Now the great thing with Carta is that I don't have to just walk straight lines. I can draw curves, I can make irregular shapes, and then I can go back to my starting point. So this is great for when I'm measuring gardens, pools, anything that I really want to do with a kind of irregular shape. And then once I'm back to my starting point, I'll hit stop. And we've got two shapes. So not only when you're in the paths menu, you can change the color, but you can also hide certain paths. And if you needed to, you can delete paths.